In the name of Almighty Allah, so today we will discuss Dawn vocabulary and it is lecture number 51. So the first one is palpable. So its meaning is obvious and noticeable. Another meaning of palpable is perceivable. Next one, emulate. So the meaning of emulate is imitate, to copy something. Next one, iconic. So widely recognized and well established. So it is called iconic. Just like Taj Mahal, which is one of the iconic infrastructure in the world, which was built by Mughal empires in the subcontinent. Next one, skewed. So the meaning of skewed is to avoid, to escape, to shuffle, elude. Next one, seized. So the meaning of seized is discontinue, seized up. Next one, praetorian. So this term was basically used in the context of Greek empires. So praetorian's meaning is bodyguard or supervisor. Next one, emphatic. So the meaning of emphatic is forceful or vehement. Next one, dumpster. So the meaning of dumpster is a very large container for rubbish. Next one is revamping. So the meaning of revamping is remake, to revise something, renovate, reconstruct. Next one, hypocrisy. So insincerity. Next one, nepotism, which is very common in Pakistan, just like other third world countries. So nepotism, the unfair practice by a powerful person of giving job or giving favor to relatives or family members. Next one, emoluments. So payment, salary, pay, stipend, wage, paycheck, muawiza. Next one, rivalries, just like India and Pakistan, UK and US, which was in a colonial time, are just like UK and Australia. So in that time, these countries were rival of each other. So conflict, confrontation, contention, contest, dushmani. Next one, sweltering, very hot, uncomfortable, or red hot. So in previous Hajj in United Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, so there was more than 550 deaths due to a red hot sun or sweltering condition, because in June July the temperature is almost above 50 or more than 50 in Gulf countries, especially in UAE and KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So in Hajj festival, so the death of pilgrimage due to severe heart condition or sweltering condition. Next one, bordering. So its meaning is bound, frame, edge, adjoin, just like the bordering area of Pakistan with that of China, with that of Afghanistan, Iran, and India. Next one, tandoor. So it is a clay oven used in northern India and Pakistan, and it is used for the baking of bread. Next one, contingent. So it's have multiple meanings, but one of the meaning of contingent is uncertain, or something which is subject to change, subject to chance. Next one, endeavors. So endeavors is actually a serious effort or attempt, just like the student of CSS are doing multiple endeavors in order to become successful in exam and be finally allocate. Next one is go down. So its meaning is come down, descend, or fall. And the other one, it is basically appraisal verb or appraise, go down. Another word in English which is go down. So go down is actually a warehouse where uh, stuff material are actually stored, or raw material are actually stored. Next one is laggards. So the meaning of laggards is crawling, creeping, dawdling, or dragging. Next one, some statistics. So the first one is Pakistan lost 7.6 billion rupees, or 3% of its GDP every year, due to malnutrition. And child mortality rate in Pakistan, which is one of the highest in the region, and it's all due to malnutrition. So malnutrition most commonly in Balochistan, uh, rural areas of Sindh, southern Punjab, FATA of KPK, and some other regions of the country. So every year Pakistan is losing 7.6 billion rupees, or 3% of its GDP, due to malnutrition. And child mortality rate under the years of 5, which is also one of the highest in the region. Next one is deduce. So the meaning of deduce is to decide, understand, judge, conclude. Another statistics, 4.2% of children in Pakistan are stunted. So I have taken this statistics from Express Tribune newspaper. So I am ardent reader of Dawn, but as well as I also read Express Tribune, Friday Times, The Nation, and other English newspapers. So 4.2% of children in Pakistan are stunted. Among them, 12.6% are boys and 12.1% are girls. So we can say that the ratio of stunted children in boys are more in comparison to girls. Next one is abominable. So abominable is unpleasant or something which is very bad. Another statistics, the government of Pakistan spends only 1.2% of its GDP on public health sector, and this data basically from 2020 to 2021. So at that time there was COVID was on peak, and 1.2% of its GDP, which is government of Pakistan, is spending on public health sector. It is also one of the lowest in South Asia. Next one is a hobble. So its meaning is to slow the moment, progress, or action of someone or something. And the last one is fertility rate. So the fertility rate in Pakistan, which is one of the highest in the region, even more from China, India, and both of these countries having a majority of the population, because India, which is one of the most populous country in the world, followed by China, Pakistan stands at number 5th. So but still the fertility rate, which is one of the highest in the region. So the fertility rate in Pakistan, according to 2024 data, it is 3.189 children per woman. So we can say roughly all every single family or a woman bred 4 children in Pakistan. And it is interesting that Winston Churchill once said that the people of subcontinent are bred like rabbits, because Asian countries, especially South Asia, and in South Asia subcontinent, India and Pakistan, Bangladesh. So in these countries, the fertility rate is one of the highest in the world, but even in the region. So it's all for today. If there is any mistake or problem, so my apologies. You people can comment us, you people can text us for improvement, and you people are most welcome. So thank you and good luck. Stay blessed.